Hi everyone, this is Patrick. I'm one of the co-founders at Superscale, and this video is about creating speaking character ads on Superscale. We've recently updated them, and these are absolutely amazing. So let's dive right in. If you click on speaking character ad, you will get to the speaking character ad page, where you can basically start creating the ad and defining what it's going to look like. So the first step is going to be selecting the language that your character will speak. You can choose from the languages that you see here, or you select another language. And based on the language that you select, we will recommend you a couple of characters that natively speak this language, but you can also open the library and look at all the characters in this library here, and then filter and sort and choose the one that you like most. Then once you've selected your character, you will see them here on the right side. There's also a couple of tips here for you to read, but most of them I'm actually covering in this video. As a third step, we will already have written you a script. And so you can now look at the script, see if you like it. You can generate a shorter or longer script. You can also see previous scripts once you've already created your first video. And you can upload speaking audio. So if you already have an 11 Labs file, for example, and you just want your character to use that voice to and that specific file that already includes the text, then you can just upload the voice file and it will replace the text here. But now we stay with the text. You can refine your script. Just type in here what you would like to do. Click on the send button, and then Superscale will iterate over your script. And obviously with like slash or, the capitalized words, you can create more, tonality around certain words or pauses or something like that. We always recommend for you to preview the audio. So this is very important. Always preview the audio before you start creating the speaking character video, because in the audio, you might already hear things that you want to adjust. And so you can preview the audio, go back to your script, and as soon as you're happy with the audio, that is a very good chance that your video will also turn out exactly how you wanted it to turn out. Then you see down here, as I said, preview the audio. You can click on settings, and actually for the settings, you can change a couple of things for the character still. So if you want to use a different voice, every character has a specific voice that we have created for this character. So usually these voices are great and optimized, but you can of course choose another one. You can even change the voice settings for the voice that's selected, and optionally you can place the character in a different environment or even adjust their clothing. So you can make this super unique for yourself. Now, once you've previewed the audio and you have everything set to go, you click on create speaking character ad, and it's now going to take you to the page that will generate your ad. This might take 5 to 7 minutes, based on, how long the script is and how much volume we currently have on the platform. But, you will see on the right side here kind of a countdown timer, and you will also hear a sound. So if you go to a different tab, you will hear a small sound, and you can come back to Superscale and look at your ad. And before we wrap up, one thing I want to mention is if you go to the AI UGC library, what you will see up here is the create custom character button. And so if you want to have a custom character that's private and personal to you and completely targeted towards your brand and also can only be used by you, then you can click that button and you can request a character. Usually it's going to take around 30 minutes for us to create that character for you. And then you will have a character that only you can use. And you can basically make that character the core character of your brand and product. So that's the introduction to speaking characters on Superscale. We hope you like them, and we're looking forward to what you will be creating. Thank you.